Welcome to my channel. Canon Printer MG3022 Wireless Setup. Step 1. Turn on printer. Ensure the printer is plugged in and powered on. Step 2. Connect to Wi-Fi. On the printer, press and hold the Wi-Fi button until the Wi-Fi light blinks. Step 3. Download Canon Print app. Install the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 4. Connect your device. Open the app and follow the prompts to connect to your printer. Step 5. Select Wireless Setup. On the app, choose the Wireless Setup option. Step 6. Enter Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password when prompted. Step 7. Confirm connection. The app will notify you once the printer is connected to the network. Step 8. Print a test page. Print a test page from the app to ensure proper setup. Step 9. Install printer drivers. On your computer, download and install the latest printer drivers from Canon's website. Step 10. Add printer to computer. Go to your computer's printer settings and add the Canon MG3022. Thank you for watching.